Hello, have you ever wondered how you could water your grass with minimal effort? If yes, we have the solution for you. The DIY watering machine. So for the machine you'll need a random piece of wood and an old washing machine drum and a motor and some duct tape and nails and a hammer. So let's do it. We'll block the lowest holes in the drum with some duct tape to prevent all of the water getting out, but it will come out of the upper holes and hopefully water our garden. So now let's attach the drum to the wooden frame with a few nails. So now we'll just put the drum on top of the nails. There we go. So now let's just fill it up with our perfectly drinkable water and waste it all on our grass. So let's see how well it works. Well, I think this would work pretty well in some small indoor garden, but for outside use it doesn't really work well enough. And you could just use this thing which costs like 5 years and works much better. But anyways, thank you for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.